This video I will be showing you how to use Mailchimp to send newsletter. The first thing you want to do after you have created your Mailchimp account, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you want to tap on create. After selecting create, you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you're going to tap on regular email and you're going to select design email. After selecting design email, you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you can see a few options and you can see to who are you sending this email to, and from there you can tap on add recipients. After tapping on add recipients, you could tap on import contacts and you could import your contact list. Another thing you could also do is you could use Mailchimp to build up your email contact list. The way how you would do that is by simply going back, and all you'll need to do is simply scroll down once on this page, and from here you could tap on sign up forms, and you could create a sign up form that you could quickly embed onto your website, and from there you will be able to build up your contact list or your subscriber count, as persons will go onto your sign up form, and from there they'll enter their email address and you'll be able to build up your listing. Once you have built up your listing, you can segment it or you can separate it. So for example, you can separate your listing from persons. Let's say for example you're running an e-commerce website. You could separate it from new subscribers that for example would like a discount code, and you can separate them from persons that would abandon and checkout point. So for example, you would send two separate sets of email to each set of persons. With Mailchimp, you can easily do that. Now, if we were to go back over here and tap on create once more, then from there select design email. After you have created your list right here, you would simply add your recipients. Then you can edit who it is coming from, but it is going to automatically show your email address that you have signed up to Mailchimp on right there. Then you can add a subject for your email right here by tapping on add subject. Also, you can edit the send time. So for example, if you would like to schedule when your email is sent out, you can do that by tapping on schedule right there. After you have finished, you're going to tap on design email. Once you have tapped on design email, you'll be redirected to this page. And on this page is where you'll be able to edit your newsletter. Now to get started, all you'll need to do, let's say you would like to create one from scratch, you could tap on apply. After tapping on apply, you'll be redirected to this page. At the moment, this is where your logo is, so you can add your logo at the top right here. By tapping on replace logo, you could input your logo. You can also make it clickable by tapping right where you see link to from the left hand menu option. You could paste in your website URL right there. Now after doing that, excuse me, you can start adding different sections to your website. So you can go over to the left hand menu option, and from here you can see the different elements right here, or you can tap on layouts and you can edit the layout. So you can see different layout styles. So for example, if you would like to add an image and text, you can simply drag and place the image and text layout right there. After you have done that, you can see the different style right there. So we'll be able to add an image here. So you could tap there, then you could tap on replace, and we are going to tap on browse images. But for example, you could upload an image. And let's say we would like to use this example just for, so we could tap right there, then tap on insert, and you can see that I've now inserted an image. And another thing that you can do, you can make this image clickable by simply tapping right where you see link to, and you could paste in the URL right there. If it is a case that you would like to redirect them to an email or a phone number, you can do that, or a particular landing page, you can do that. You can also tap on the text section and you could edit the text. You can also edit the button. So by tapping on the button icon, you can choose what would happen when someone taps on the button. So you can see right here, you could paste in the URL that you like to redirect them to, or an email or phone number. You can also change the shape of the button by tapping right here. So you can make it round, you can make it a pill if you want. You can choose the size of the button, whether it be medium or large. You can choose the size, you can also edit the color, and so on. After you're finished, you'll tap on done, and then from there you can continue editing. So you could add an image right here if you want, or you could simply remove that section. If it is a case that you'd like to add an HTML code or so on, you can add the HTML code by selecting code. You can also select social, and you can drag and place it, and here is where you'll be able to add all of your social media links. So you can add your Facebook, Instagram, and also your Twitter, and you can add another social media link if you want. After you're finished, you can go back, and then from there, if it is a case that you would like to add a product or so on, you can do that. You can also tap on styles, and from here you can edit how it looks on mobile, as you can see right here. And you can also edit how it looks on desktop, so you can make specific editing options when it comes onto either platform. Once you're finished, you'll tap on preview in the top right hand corner, and you can preview how it looks on desktop, how it looks on mobile, how it will look in an inbox, as you can see right there. Once you're finished, you're going to tap in the top right hand corner, and from here you can send a test email. So by tapping on send test email, you'll be able to enter an email address that you can send out your newsletter to test how it looks. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save and exit. After selecting save and exit, you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on send, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.